Thursday, so you know I'm missing a day. I'll make up for it. I'll make it up. Whatever.
He was real dumb.
He was real dumb. Okay. Well, nothing's really happened today because it's early. But in chemistry, we watched a cool video with Half-Life in it. So I was like, "That's Half-Life." And no one in my class knew what it was. So I was like, "Okay, all right." And then I went to math,
attention!
and it was confusing. And
Up here, eyes and ears.
this guy's interrupting my video log. So,
We're gonna do. I guess I should put the right slide up.
anyways, yeah. Today should be a good day. It's almost Friday. Pretty good.
Gosh, I hope so too,
This
because
one was fun.
I really don't.
my goal is actually to make people suffer.
This is a good trimester.
Are we starting another project?
I'm kind of done with
This will be Project
It's
B,
been a long
however.
week.
Sorry, I'm not going to change that.
talk over
The
this
only
guy.
thing
It's
that's
really
going
loud,
to change,
and
only
I
thing,
have nothing to talk about.
is that we're going to go from
Which is
struggle
a good
to
thing because I'm
excel.